Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. If you want to start from scratch, just open a new Miro board and add the prototyping library to your toolbar so it's always ready. Pick the device you want, like a phone, tablet, or desktop, and drop it on the board. Then, drag in the components that make the most sense for your layout, from text fields and buttons to icons and visuals. Customize everything to fit your project. And when you're ready, share the wireframes with stakeholders for quick feedback and iteration. If you'd rather start with a proven structure, check out the Miro Template Gallery. Search for wireframe and pick the one that fits your project best. In seconds, you'll have a solid foundation to build on and customize. Want to save even more time? Miro can generate a wireframe for you with a simple prompt. Here's how it works. Select Create Prototype. Type in your prompt like, create a wireframe for a website homepage with a hero banner and call to action button. Miro AI will give you a complete wireframe you can edit and expand in a short time. This is perfect for when you're stuck at the starting point or just need inspiration for your next design. No matter how you start, Scratch, template, or AI, Miro gives you everything you need to make your wireframe your own. Add new components. Or remove what you don't need. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your project. Use Miro's drag and drop UI elements to iterate and explore different ideas quickly. And if you're collaborating, invite your team to the board to comment, co-create, and give feedback in real time. Wireframing in Miro is all about speed and clarity, so don't be afraid to experiment and iterate until it feels right. If you're interested in exploring more about prototyping and testing your ideas, check out our other tutorials on prototyping. You'll find those in this card and linked in the description below. Ready to try wireframing in Miro? Click the link in the description to get started today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Miro tutorials. See you in the next one.